So we're going to do some ribs today, Chinese style, nice sticky pork ribs, really fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got these ribs here, as you can see. There's about, I think it's like a kg or something, so like 2.2 pound. I'm going to just trim it up a little bit. I'm going to get a little bit of fat off. This is not too bad actually. And sometimes you'll get what they call silver skin, you know, like a kind of very thin, transparent skin on there that you can take off. I don't think this needs it, so I'm just going to trim it up and then I'm going to cut them. Okay, so I've just done that. I've got 10 pieces there now. What we're going to do is I'm going to put these into water. I'm going to cook them in water with some aromatics, get some flavour into them and get them on the go. Okay, so I've put them into some cold water, just covered them. Now, there's several ways you can do this. I mean, in fact, there's not several. There are many, many ways of adding some aromatics to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with some star anise, a few pieces of that. I've got some Szechuan peppercorns here. I've got some dried chilies. We're going to get some salt in the mix, which is pretty essential, I would say. I've got myself a lemon, which I'm just going to squeeze that and then put the lemon in. And a little bit of ginger. So in that goes. That's going to pump loads of lovely flavour into that. But again, you could think about other things like garlic can go in there, cinnamon, 5-spice powder. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. You could put some turmeric in there and give it a bit of colour. Like I say, many, many ways, but yeah, this is really going to pump some lovely flavour in there. So I'm going to bring that to the boil, and once it's reached boiling point, I'm going to go for about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to take these out, let them just cool down a little bit. Now look, you can put what I've put in, the aromatics, or even more, or nothing, just a little bit of salt if you want. But yeah, what we have done is pump some lovely flavours into that stuff. So out they come, discard everything else, we can move on. So the ribs are just cooling down. We're going to make a really easy, quick, beautiful sauce for this. 1/2 cup each, oyster sauce, ketchup. If you don't want to use ketchup, you could use brown sugar maybe. Soy, I'm using a light soy, it's not a thick one, it's quite runny. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic, chopped up nice and small. And here I've got fish sauce. There's like 2 teaspoons there. Be very careful with fish sauce. It is supremely salty. Okay, so we've got a wok-y type thing here. You're going to need a large skillet if you haven't got a wok. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil. You could use something different if you want. We're going to drop in the garlic ginger. Just put the heat on. It's on above medium. We're going to go for 2 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add the 1/2 cup each soy, ketchup, oyster sauce, and a little bit of fish sauce. Little mix. Then we're going to grab our ribs. We're going to drop them in. And for about 4 minutes or so, we're going to be tossing them around in this sauce, coating them, and they're done. Really beautiful and simple. So I just topped those off with some green onions and some sesame seeds. They're absolutely wonderful, really, really tasty. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.